slow braised lamb, milk poached sweetbreads, wilted Savoy cabbage with carrot textures. A great thing about this dish is you can create it throughout the year, using lamb in spring and then hogget or mutton later in the year and over winter. Most of the ingredients are available year-round. If not, replace with interesting seasonal alternatives. First, your lamb, hogget or mutton. Remove the ribs from your breast. Most butchers or farm shops will do this for you, and trim off any excess fat. Season well. Then roll tightly into a sausage shape in cling film. Tie each end. Place in a slow cooker or oven-proof dish and cover with water. Add a sprig of rosemary and garlic. Cover and cook long and slow. 100 degrees C overnight, approximately 10 to 12 hours. Remove from liquid, chill slightly, then re-roll and chill in the fridge. Save the flavoursome poaching liquid for later use. Sweetbreads can be ordered from most butchers. Place them in a pan, cover with milk, add the thyme, gently bring to a simmer for 5 minutes. Refresh in cold water, this stops them from overcooking, then peel off any fat or sinew. The veg. Place the peeled and chopped carrots in a pan with enough poaching liquor to cover. Add seasoning. Evenly chop the Savoy cabbage. Put the cabbage in a pan with butter, salt and pepper. Gently fry the cabbage until soft. Boil the carrots till tender. Add butter and seasoning to the carrots. Blitz in a processor till smooth. A final pass through a sieve will get the smooth puree you're after. Use the carrot peelings as a deep-fried crispy garnish, a simple but clever touch for the dish. For the gravy, use a liquid from the carrots. Add rosemary and the essential Henderson's relish, thicken with flour. Portion the chilled breast into 4 equal pieces. Pan fry each side till you have good colour. Add the chantilly carrots and sweetbreads. A nice hot pan will ensure a rich caramelised taste. Then it's ready to serve. A small nest of cabbage for the sweetbreads. Place the puree on one side of the plate, then the breast. The chantilly carrots on too. Your wonderful rosemary and Henderson's gravy brings the flavours together. Carrot crisps crown the dish. Perfect with red wine, a younger Bordeaux, a Cabernet or Merlot. Enjoy.